In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop only works when plugged in. If your laptop only works when plugged in, it could be due to battery issues, power settings, or driver problems. And here's how you can fix it. First, you need to go ahead and check your battery health. Go ahead and open Command Prompt on your Windows device. Now, in here, go ahead and type in power CFG slash battery report. After entering that here, simply hit on that enter button. Now on the response, simply copy this path where you can actually find the battery life report. Since Windows created a file for your battery health report, so simply copy that and open your browser. On your browser, simply go ahead and paste that and hit on that, and in here you'll be able to find all of the information that you'll need for your battery report. Now another thing that you can do is to go ahead and update your battery drivers. So to do that, you'll need to open Device Manager. So to open Device Manager, you'll need to go ahead and hit on WinX. So in here, go ahead and click on Device Manager. On Device Manager, simply look for batteries. So expand batteries from this section. In here, right click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery and then select Update Driver. And that's basically how you can fix laptop only works when plugged in. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.